In our world, the largest volcano is known as Mauna Loa, located in the state of Hawaii. It is so massive that its area is larger than all the Hawaiian islands combined. However, it is not bigger than Olympus Mons on Mars. Olympus Mons is not only the tallest volcanic mountain on Earth, but in the entire solar system. Its height is astonishing, 22 kilometers, and it spans up to 700 kilometers. Volcanoes release gases from beneath the surface, which contribute to creating the planet's atmospheric pressure. Researchers believe that millions of years ago, Olympus Mons used to be active in a similar way to how active volcanoes appear on Earth today.